this is not an infomercial, but do you live in Cape York? Does it rain a lot in the wet season? And does it cause environmental damage to your roads? Then please keep on watching this video to see how my solution can help solve this problem. Greetings, I am Tree, and today I will introduce my EWB challenge design. My design area was transport and access, and my project opportunity was road design to reduce environmental impact. First, I want to start off by acknowledging the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation, as well as the elders present and emerging, who are the traditional owners of the land in which I'm presenting here today. This project was set out to address problems regarding the environmental impact of wet season in Cape York. During the season, rainfall leads to many problems, including the damage to the main transport route within the peninsula. This is the Peninsula Developmental Road, or the PDR, and the spread of gravel containing weeds through silting. This is an example of how heavy rainfall damages the PDR, leading to difficulties in transportation. The how might we question that arises is, how can we reduce the environmental impact by improving the road quality? This design was for residents of remote areas in mind. More specifically, it was meant for communities within Cape York that use the PDR for transportation and require other forms of transportation during wet seasons. The design is essentially a drainage system that prevents the rainwater from accumulating near the road surface, which thereby avoids the softening of the road. As seen in the picture, the excess rainwater will flow through the gravel first, then it flows into the pipes via its small slots, and then it will flow through the system and exits into a water reservoir for the dry season to water the surrounding trees. 3 simple materials are required: geotextile fabric, gravel, and perforated pipes. All 3 of the suppliers are in Australia. The gravel supplier even has a store on the PDR. Polyethylene bags, as shown, can be repurposed as a fabric that keeps the design intact. This design might work on smaller scales where cars heavily drive, such as driveways and private paths made from gravel and dirt, or flat surfaces near or below the water level where water usually collects and softens the grounds, as seen in the picture. As a result of Cape York's wet season, it will be certainly difficult to begin the construction process. This problem could be dealt with by thorough planning. It is known that Cape York's dry season is between May and November, where rainfall is particularly low. Construction could be executed within this time frame to avoid the impact of heavy rainfall. This period will be adequate to construct given the simplicity of the design. Secondly, the development process requires excavators, which will need to be provided by either the local or the state government. The community will see the benefits as soon as wet season starts or upon completion, and its lifespan will be 25 to 40 years until replacement is required. The design directly benefits the community as it opens opportunities for trade and transport. As access into the regions increase, possible attractions could include monuments for tourists who are fascinated with plaques which carry information on the local history. This is the best design because it directly addresses the environmental impact of rain, such as silting and the spread of weeds, which was the EW design topic, as well as Principle of Humanitarian Engineering and Ethical Engineering by Engineers Australia. The design will be installed along the main roads leading to communities that are affected by the wet season, especially the PDR along affected locations. To end my presentation, I want to again give respect and thanks to the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation, who are the traditional owners of this land in which I'm presenting here today. I want to leave you with one question. If there was a simple solution to silting and damaged roads that could also give you skills for the future development of your communities, would you implement it? Thank you for watching my video.